Hey guys, so I'm such a bad YouTuber. I was doing my hair and I was like, I should make this into a video. So here's the video, you guys. Hey guys, it's Jada Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, like I said, I was doing my hair for school and I was like, I might as well make a video out of this because I need videos anyways. So here you guys go. Here's another video. Today, as y'all can see, I'm gonna do like a slick back ponytail. Since I'm doing this already, I might as well just give y'all like a little tutorial. Like, I don't think I ever gave y'all like a slick back tutorial, that how I properly do it with my gels and stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be talking about this video. I'm gonna try to at least. And yeah, so as y'all can see, I really just started, so I guess I'll just show you guys what I do. I'm just gonna talk while I do it, and then I'll show you like the products in a second. But basically, I've been wearing a wig since Monday. Today's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday, and I was like, I took off the wig. I don't know, I was gonna keep it till Friday and just take it off when I come home. But then I noticed, like, I was feeling on my hairline, I was like, it feel a little too smooth. And turns out it took out a little bit of my edges up here. I still got most of my edges. It's just a little bit that it took out on this side only. Yeah, it took out a little bit of my edges. So I was like, this needs to come out ASAP. So turns out I'm just gonna do like a little quick slick back ponytail for tomorrow. And yeah, so I guess you guys can watch me and how I do it. I think I'm gonna go for like a side part type thing. I don't know which side though. I probably should figure that out before I start using the gel on the front part. I haven't done a side part in a minute actually. Like, I mostly do like all back, or I do like a middle part. But yeah, if I do a side part, it has to be like a deep side part, like one of them ones that come around like that, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so hopefully I think I'm gonna do the side part. I don't know if I were to slick this back. I don't really like how the side parts look on me. I think I like it all back. I feel like the all back ones be just doing me justice. Even though it make me look like I got a big forehead, I feel like it just does what it needs to do. Like, and then I just take out my edges and I swoop it however I want to. Side part don't be doing me justice. So I'm gonna just do it all back. Should I do that? Because I don't want to end up looking stupid. I don't know. We're gonna try it first. So anyways, let me just keep taking from the back. I'm pretty sure I already showed you guys what like the back is looking like right now. Basically, I do my hair in sections. If I'm rushing, I'll just like throw on some gel on the top and just smooth it down as much as I can. But like, if I really want it to look good, I will like do it in sections. So first thing I use is my water. Like, I just take out a random part and I just like kind of spray it down with water a little bit. Not too wet, but not too dry. So I kind of like smooth in the water like that. If my ends are still dry, I give them a little bit of water and kind of smooth it in. Then I just take my Moray's Beeswax Honey Whip Curl Enhancer and I just take some, like mix it up in my hand and just put it all over the hair, especially my ends, because my ends are the driest part of my hair. I don't really detangle my hair when I do my slick backs. I just kind of do like, just kind of smooth everything in. Then what I do, I take my brush and I just kind of brush it back so it will look something like this, right? Then I will use my Eco Styler. I use any Eco Styler. The one I'm using right now is the Argan Oil. And I just use them and smack it right on that part. Let me show you. So it looks like that. And then I take a little bit of the Shine and Jam. It's like that much. And I just smooth it right onto it. And boom. It's going to look like something like this. And then I just use my scrunchie and just tie it. I take out parts in the back, which I'm gonna do that like at the end because I just want to make sure everything is smoothed in right now. But yeah, this is what it's gonna look like. Hopefully it's getting very smooth. It feels smooth. So yeah, I just took out another section. I'm about to spray it down. While I'm doing this, I'm just gonna talk. I don't really want to speed this part up. I kind of want to talk so the video is long or has a bit of spice to it. When I took out the wig, I noticed some of my hair was gone. I was like, well, not my hair, but like my edges and stuff. I was a little hurt because I was like, I work really hard. That's why my hair is so thick. I use black Jamaican castor oil. So give me maybe about like a week and a half and my edges that were gone will be back and longer than it was before. So I'm not really too pressed about it, but it kind of hurt my feelings a little bit. But it's alright. It's something real G can't handle. But yeah, right now it's like maybe 10:20 right now. I kind of want to go to my bed around 11. Well, not even, that's too late right now. Well, it's not too late, but I don't want to go to sleep too late tonight. I want to go to sleep maybe around 10:40, 10:50, so about 11 o'clock, because the way I be snoozing my alarm in the morning is crazy. All right, so this is the third section. Hopefully it looks smooth. I don't know, it feels smooth to me, but you know, I can't really see behind my head. So I noticed that this side looks better on me than this side. Well, I believe so. And plus my edges are more respectable on this side, but the edges are over here are gone. So I'm kind of in a sticky pickle, because I could always pull out hair, because look, I still got most of my edges over here. Swoop them and doop them. I'm gonna do this. I don't want to do it like a deep part, and if we have to do that, we have to do that. Should I curve it? I'm gonna curve it, but thing is, there's no thing. I don't know what I'm talking about. I just need to do my hair. That's it. That's all there is to it, boo. I just whipped out my hair. I felt that. Okay, so I think this is what's gonna work. I'm done. Just I don't know. All right, yeah, this. So it's gonna be like a side part like that. Should I do it all back? Okay. I'm just gonna gel down what I can, because I can't with this back and forth business. The part isn't even straight. This is so ghetto. Y'all, do y'all see my cry for help? I just noticed my eyes have been like that the whole time I've been parting my hair. So I have like a lazy eye. I don't even think it's a lazy eye. I can just move my eye like that. Like y'all see when I be like that? Yeah. Anyways, where's my water? Ooh. My scalp is so itchy. It's been dry because it's been under that wave for maybe like 6 days, almost a week. I didn't even do my hair thingy. I didn't even do this right. Hold on, I forgot to put my conditioner or whatever this is called. I guess now we can start brushing. Child, I don't know. I'm going to have to do it all back, because this is too much work to be swooping and dooping, honestly. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. I always take out like curlies on the side of my head and in the back to kind of make it a little bit more spicy. Flip backs without like the side curls or whatever just be looking weird. Like it just makes me look bald, and it's just like ew, at least for me. So I don't look completely bald, so at least people know I got hair. Let me be quiet. Yeah, I'm struggling hard. I was trying to take a scrunchie out for the longest. Y'all, I'm about to do the slick back all the way back, because I can't with this side part. I'm sorry. Actually, let me just see how it looks first, and then if it doesn't look good, y'all, it's not gonna look good, the side part. You know, let me trust the process. Let me trust the process. I'm not gonna put too much gel. Let me stop putting too much gel. I'm gonna trust the process, and if the process fails me, we'll just cry about it and move on with my life. My forehead looks so big on camera, and that's not even what my forehead be looking like in real life. Like, in real life, my forehead don't even be that big. It don't even be that big. Like, the camera just be setting me up at this point. So, there is room for improvement. Yeah, there's so much in the front. Hold on, because this ain't right. There's 3 parts I can make this right. We're going to twist this front part. Yeah, I might speed this part up a little bit, because I'm kind of all over the place. Y'all, how is it looking back there? Is it looking good? Hopefully. Y'all see why I don't be doing my natural hair no more? Let me tell y'all a story. I know I'm talking a lot. Please, I'm sorry, but I used to do my when I was first learning to like love my hair. I used to do my hair like a lot. Like every day, I would maybe redo a style. Every week I would wash my hair consistently on the dot. Like y'all would never catch me with my hair unwashed. I really took care of my hair because I really like cared about it. I mean, I still do. It's just that like I don't really be having the time to be taking care of it like that no more. So yeah. Anyways, yeah, I used to take care of my hair every single day, do different styles every day, wash my hair every week. Like y'all would never catch me with dirty hair. Like y'all, this side part ain't working. But yeah, I used to take care of my hair, y'all. Like my hair never looked dry, like never. Anyways, until school started and I started like doing more braids and stuff because I wanted my hair to grow a little bit longer. So I started doing more braids, and then yeah, after I did all that, like the braids and more braids, and then I got into like laces and stuff, I just stopped doing my hair because I was like, it's stressing me out, you know, because natural hair is a lot to take care of, and child, I don't have the time like that anymore to care for my hair. I don't have time for that. Yeah, guys, we're almost done. What if I just put this part back? Let's not do that either. We're gonna stick with the side part. The question is, what side? Listen, y'all. Okay. Hold on, because it's kind of my skin is already breaking out right now, and I would not want it to get any worse than it is right now. Okay, it doesn't look bad. Hold on, because we're gonna fix this up a little bit. Okay, my camera just cut out because apparently it reached its maximum recording time. Okay, so I mean this front part keeps curling up. I'm gonna have to bring out the big guns, the got to be. But okay, it doesn't look bad though. It doesn't look bad. It's no way I can redo a style with the got to be doing my hair. And what am I gonna do to my hair Monday? Good question, because I don't even know. I'm just gonna figure it out as that time comes, because I'm too stressed out for that right now. I'm taking out the pieces. Should I take out 3 or just 2? Because usually I take out 3. I'm just gonna take out 2 because I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna use my scrunchie and just kind of make a bun. Making it tight because I don't know if it looks like a bun, which it probably doesn't, so let me just fix that. And then yeah, I'm left with a bun like this. I don't know if it's giving bun, but hopefully it is because I'm not doing this again. Yeah, so now we're just gonna fix up this front part. So I'm most likely gonna speed this part up. Okay, y'all, so I think I finally got this swoop down. Well, I quit now. I've been literally working on this swoop for so long. This is the best it's gonna really get for tonight. So I'm pretty much done. Pretty much this is the whole, this is what it's looking like. Yeah, hopefully it looks like a bun. So yeah, so it's looking like, I'll give you a little 360 really quick. Let me just zoom in here. I know y'all can see the bumps on my face. Like, I'm so mad with my face right now. Like, so don't mind my eyelashes. These need to come off. They look crazy. But yeah. So I'm about to do a little cleanup, and basically I'll probably show y'all the actual end results in the morning. Until then, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Have a good night's sleep, and I will see you guys in the morning. Bye.